Hi, this is Ambo again, and today we will talk about elements of design for the module 2. And now let's talk about lesson 1, which is the introduction to the elements of design. Let's proceed to defining what elements of designs are all about. So, understanding the elements of design is really important in learning graphic design because they form the foundational principles that guide how visual compositions are created and understood. These elements like line, shape, color, typography, and space. It helped designers not only to communicate messages effectively, but also establish a great look and feel that correlate and resonate with audiences. They play a key role in creating visual hierarchy, emphasizing important information, and aesthetically appealing designs that capture attention and convey meaning clearly. Mastering these elements equips designers with tools needed to solve visual challenges creatively and produce compelling work across different mediums and platforms. Choosing elements in design is akin to shopping at the market. Just as we carefully select fresh ingredients, we must pick design elements that are vibrant and appealing, right? For instance, when we buy milkfish, we avoid those with cloudy eyes, a fishy smell, or a slimy texture. Similarly, in design, we shouldn't just pick elements because they are available, but choose wisely to ensure the final product is visually appealing. This approach ensures our designs are as carefully crafted as a well selected meal from the market. So there are different elements of design, and these are few examples of elements. So we have space. Space in design refers to the area and within objects. It includes both positive, the object themselves are space, and negative space, the empty areas around them. Understanding how to manipulate space can greatly impact the overall composition and readability of your designs. Point, the next element. A point is the smallest element of design. It can be a dot, a pixel, or any other tiny mark. Points are used to create patterns, textures, and visual connections within a design. It will go to line, which is another element of design. Lines are used to define shapes and forms, create the visions, and guide the viewer's eye. They can vary in width, length, direction, and even curvature, and are essential for structuring compositions. And after the line, it will create a shape. Shapes are defined areas with recognizable boundaries. They can be geometric, like squares and circles, or organic, like leaves and clouds. Shapes form the basis of all visual elements and help convey meaning and structure. Color Color is perhaps the most emotional and evocative element of design. It can influence mood, perception, and even behavior. Understanding color theory, how colors interact, complement each other, and create harmony or contrast is essential for effective design. And the last one is typography. Typography refers to the art and technique of arranging type. It involves choosing font sizes, spacing, and alignment to enhance readability and convey the intended message. Good typography can make a design more engaging and easier to understand. So, as a conclusion, as we progress in our upcoming sessions, we will delve deeper into each of these elements. We will explore practical examples, discuss design principles, and learn how to apply these concepts to real world projects. By mastering these fundamental elements of designs, you will have a solid foundation to create visually stunning and impactful designs. So these are not only the elements of designs, but there are a lot. There are values, textures, forms, and many other more. So those are things that are part of elements of design. But we will move forward on just discussing this essential and fundamental elements of design.